This is Adrian from RapidRelays.com. What we're going to test here today are one of our cellular relays with our mobile app. So we're going to go ahead and launch this rocket. I'll show you a picture here of our mobile app. Here's our mobile app. So we're ready for launch. We're going to need a countdown.
Countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Yeah! Woo! Pop! 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 Parachute deployed.
Parachute is deployed. It went pretty high, pretty far. So again, you can use our wireless transmitters, receivers here, very tiny, and you can connect them also with our cellular control devices and use mobile apps for iPhone and Android. And if you have any questions, you can visit our website at www.rapidrelays.com or call us toll free at 1-800-330-9060.